Since early 2022, Turkish threat actor TA482 has been targeting the social media accounts of US-based journalists and media organizations. Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. So there's the new cyber attack called Ducktail that evaded Facebook security. So
we evading Facebook security now.
We're going dark. This story is courtesy of Cyware. So researchers discovered a new campaign that targets people on one social media platform to target another platform. This is named Ducktail. The ongoing operation has been attributed to a Vietnam-based, financially motivated threat actor active since 2018. So let's dive into the details. The hackers connect with professionals on LinkedIn who could have had access to Facebook business accounts. This typically includes digital media and digital marketing roles. The conversations with the target consist of using social engineering and deception to lure them into downloading a file on a legitimate hosting cloud hosting service. The malware scans for browser cookies on Edge, Firefox, Chrome, and Brave, and it gathers system information and targets Facebook credentials. Ultimately, the malware runs through several Facebook pages to collect access tokens to use them for unhindered endpoint interaction. Why does this matter? Not only does the malware pilfer information from Facebook accounts, it hijacks them by adding the hacker's email address to the compromised Facebook business account. When adding the user, the malware adds permissions, enabling the hacker to take complete control over the account. The threat actors leverage these privileges to replace the financial details so the payments could be directed to their accounts. Here are some of the latest on social media. Social media is a lucrative platform for cyber criminals, as displayed by the 105% rise in attacks since last year. Since early 2022, Turkish threat actor TA482 has been targeting the social media accounts of US-based journalists and media organizations. The Axie Infinity hack was conducted by the North Korean Lazarus APT gang, who used fake LinkedIn job offers to steal $625 million. Here's the bottom line. Researchers believe that the Ducktail operators only want financial gain from their endeavors. The group has a narrow targeting scope and chooses its victims carefully, attempting to find people with admin privileges on their employer's social media accounts. The threat actor has, furthermore, made several upgrades to the malware to improve its detection evasion capabilities. Man, what y'all think? Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.